What's the water play? What do you do here?
Look at this guy.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, Krishika.
Let me show. Hi guys, that's me crack eggs open house.
Hatchimals.
That's
Oh.
nothing but look at the teddy bears. You can bring your
Yeah,
Can we do
super
that?
cool.
Can we do it? Let's go to this secret house.
Wow, guys, look at this beautiful house. So many beautiful Barbie things. Oh my gosh. Fairy toys. Oh my gosh, Krishika. Oh, look at this beautiful bag, girls. Lipstick bag.
Give me.
Oh, that's very sweet. Wow, look at all these dollies. Wow, Krishika, check out these babies. They're very cute.
Doctor baby.
Oh, a little doctor baby. Oh, hello, sweetie. Oh, so cute. Baby alive. Wow. Oh, look at this little baby archway down here. Have a look. Let's go in there. Look at that little house. Whoa. Cry babies. Cushy.
It's a Barbie house.
Another one?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Whoa. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. Oh, Barbie's big house. Look at that. Oh, it's an LOL house. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh, guys. What is it? Oh, Monster High. Cushy's favorite. Show me your Monster High dance. You show me your Monster High dance. piano. Whoa.
I choose this one because you look good on
Wow, so many beautiful Monster High dollies and so many accessories. I love it. What else is there, Kushi? Oh, we
I choose this in this Hello Kitty play toy.
She's a beautiful LOL and oh my gosh. And where's Fancy? Don't see Fancy. Oh, and these guys are really cute. Arjun's just found the biggest, hugest Barbie house. Let's go have a look. Oh my gosh. Check out the size of this.
2 Barbie.
Oh my goodness.
3 Barbie. Look at that. 5 Barbie.
That is crazy.
Hi guys. Do you want to have a look at the Barbie stuff?
Yes. Oh, look at those. Wow. You've got some of these Barbies. They're very beautiful.
I do have one of the Barbie here.
Which is your favorite?
This is my favorite.
Oh, the princess one. She's beautiful.
My favorite. My favorite.
Ah, love it. Oh.
We saw a big Barbie.
No, you're not allowed to go in there. We can just look at them. But how amazing are they?
Check how much
$10,325. So many Legos. Legos everywhere. Oh, Arjun, what is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these guys. So many fishy guys. Look at the little motorbike. That's awesome. Oh my god. That's pretty fancy. Audi. Wow.
Guys, there's a jumping castle stuff there.
Oh, yeah.
What's yours on? Look!
Yeah, show me. Hello, Arjun. Oh my gosh. Hello. One, two, three. Woo! Your turn, Kushi. One, two, three. Woo! That's her little kitty. Press the button. Yeah? Really? Wow, girl! Hello, teddy bear. Aww. Very cute. Wait. Oh my goodness! Whoa, look at that! Look, look, look! Look at that! Oh my god! Oh! Hello lady, I'll buy some cake please. Hello lady, can I buy some cake please?
No.
No.
You give me so much food. Mommy, can also do cake. Mommy, give me
Tiramisu.
No, too many food.
Too many foods. Alright, let's see what's over here, Fishika.
Painting and drawing.
Oh, you can do a drawing? Nice. Fishika? Hold it up. Beautiful. Pushing.